Hello, my name is Mark McDonnell. I am the Skilled Trades Coordinator on the Cornwall campus of St. Lawrence College. I'm going to speak to you today about the general construction carpentry techniques and the Carpenter Apprentice programs that are offered here in Cornwall. Along with being the Trades Coordinator, I am also a member of the Carpentry faculty. The General Construction Carpentry Techniques program is a one-year program starting in September and ending in June. The Carpenter Apprentice program is 3 levels of training that is integrated with the General Construction Carpentry Techniques program and follows the provincial curriculum for the carpentry trade. Job satisfaction in trades is one of the highest of all professions, so students pursuing these trades can look forward to a very exciting and rewarding career. These programs allow students to develop many skills needed to build a new home or structure or renovate an older one. Students learn how to produce drawings, both on paper and through CAD technology, as well as read construction blueprints. They are taught carpentry skills such as concrete forming, framing, roofing, siding, drywall installation, and stair building. The Ontario Building Code book is examined, and students learn how to apply the building code found within. Building and installation techniques are practiced through hands-on construction activities and projects, and students hone their skills on a major construction project in their final semester. The instructors of these programs are all Red Seal certified carpenters with lots of varied construction experiences that they share with their St. Lawrence College students. The small class sizes mean that there is more one-on-one training available to the students and more access to the tools and facilities that St. Lawrence College has to offer. The carpentry shop is fully equipped and has some state-of-the-art equipment such as CNC router technology. Basic training in insulated concrete form construction is delivered through a full-day training module offered by a certified ICF trainer. Through field trips and site visits, students have the opportunity to meet prospective employers, and they gain valuable real-world construction experience while constructing a Habitat for Humanity home. Alumnus Dave Bruce had this to say: "I had a background in video games design, but after more than a decade, it was time for a change. I worked with a small local contractor for a few years before deciding that I wanted to learn the right way to do things. I was lucky enough to be accepted into the General Carpentry program at St. Lawrence and quickly realized it was a great career in which to combine my love of mathematics and hands-on skill." With the help of Mark McDonnell and the other teachers, the year flew by and I graduated with distinction. I registered my own small business, but had not counted on the low density of the local population. Word of mouth is slowly picking up, but I'm still glad that I chose the program and the college that I did. I wouldn't hesitate in recommending the General Carpentry program at St. Lawrence. The School of Skilled Trades at the Cornwall campus offers the in-school delivery of the Carpenter 403A apprenticeship training for students already working in the trade through a hybrid delivery combined with the General Construction Carpentry Techniques program. Apprenticeship students must be registered with the Ministry of Labor, Training and Skills Development and are required to complete 3 8-week blocks of in-school training, along with the required on-the-job hours of the trade, to be eligible to write the ministry-administered provincial exam to obtain their certificate of qualification. This program is a Red Seal trade. Registered apprentice students receive subsidized tuition and are eligible for apprenticeship incentive grants totaling $4,000, which can be used to pay for tuition, travel, tools, or other expenses. These incentive grants are currently tripled for female apprentices. Due to the ongoing shortage of certified skilled trade workers in the construction industry, job prospects remain very strong. Local construction companies and contractors are continually seeking graduates to employ in various sectors of residential and commercial construction. Program graduates go on to specialize in home building and renovations or work on a variety of large commercial projects. Opportunities also exist as a stepping stone to jobs in the design, inspection, or training areas of the trade. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the fall.